mowing the lawn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angie, of course, and I'm gonna be trying some new things today. As you can see, I got my tape on my face, and I'm going to try and recreate this look right here. Oh my god, it looks so bright. I don't really know how to do this, but we're gonna try it. I mean, I figured I'd put the tape so it's like easier to make a line and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned to watch me possibly fail this makeup look. I am going out later, so if I fail, that will be very sad. Yeah. Before we get into this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Please leave a comment down below for any new videos you want to see come from me, and subscribe. I'm gonna try new tape. But yeah guys, let's get on into this video. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in on my eyeball. Ow. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna try and get this tape to stay laid. Oh my god, why do my dogs always bark when I'm trying to film? Like, at the end of the day, they're trying to not see me be real. Okay, I'm gonna take the Morphe 3502 palette and just go off. And you guys can watch me in a possibly time-lapsed type of way. Okay? Okay, so now I'm just putting the tape back down and setting my eyelids. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going in with the yellow eyeshadow first. I think it's always a good base to start with like a yellow or an orange, only because they blend so well together with like every other color. So that's what I'm doing there. Blend, 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 blend. That is a lot. And then I'm gonna add the orange right underneath it, just because I want to be able to see both of the colors. I'm focusing it mainly on my crease because, I mean, it's a crease color. Duh. And the look is pretty orangey itself, so it's gonna work. Then I'm going back over it with the yellow eyeshadow and blending the edges all together so it looks very seamless. This is so weird. Now I'm taking a dark brown and I'm really focusing it on the outer part of my crease and then slowly blending it upwards. Then I'm going back over it with the orange and then just making the edges blend together again. Then back in with the black, focusing that really in my crease, making sure I can still see the brown, going back over it with orange and making everything seamless. Then I'm just making sure the crease part is looking all good, right from the front to the end. Now I'm actually cutting my crease. I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C6. I'm just making a very clean, sharp line, as clean as possible. I mean, you can't be too anal about these things, cause, I mean, you're bound to mess up, okay? You're bound to mess up. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. I'm looking down, I'm looking up. I'm trying to get it as close to a nice, sexy cut crease as possible. But, you know, things happen, so I don't think it got that sexy. But anyways, you can see what I'm doing here. And then after I was done with that, I did the other eye, and then I also set it with a matte cream color. And you'll see that come up pretty soon if I can see where. Yeah. But here I'm literally just cutting the crease, cutting the crease, cutting the crease, cutting the crease, and cutting the crease. So enjoy that. Okay, so I'm back and I'm actually going to be starting the liner now. As you can see, I'm taking the same Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm making a liner basically with the concealer. That's why I put the tape down, because I thought it would be pretty hard to do a concealer liner without the tape there, because it wouldn't be as sharp and sexy and cut. So that's why I put it there. I'm not going to carry it all the way to the front of my eye because there's already a light color there. And I want to put a darker color on the inner corner of my eye, and then the lighter color will be focused on the end, so it'll be like reverse. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm just doing that on the other side because why would I only do it on one side? That doesn't really make any sense. So yeah, okay. So yeah, just doing that. So now I finished, and as you can see, it got a little serious. Had to take a little drink. Okay, so now I'm going in with the darker shimmer shade. These are just shades that are in the Morphe 3502 palette. Yeah, whatever. The orange one. And I'm putting the darker color in the farthest inner corner. Then I'm going to take a medium kind of color, and then finally on the end I'm taking a Kiss eyeshadow, a yellow one, and putting that right on the end of the liner. And that's really about it, you know? Doing that on both sides, of course, praying to God they look the same, because if they don't, that's embarrassing. But yeah, now I'm just wiping off my nose because I probably got a bunch of shimmer on it. That's not cute. And yeah, how do you guys think it looks? Just removing it, praying to God, and yeah, looks pretty nice. How do you guys think I did? Let me know. It's cute. Okay, y'all. How you think I did? I think, honestly, I was so nervous to do this look. My sister picked this out for me. I tend to not choose looks that are very complicated. Like, period. I just do very basic looks sometimes. And I want to stop doing that. I'm gonna leave my lips like that. But, yeah. My liner isn't as big, but this is that. This is mine. It's pretty close. I'm here for it. I did my best with the products that I have. But it's cute. It's actually really cute. I never thought this kind of liner would look good on me. You know, like the ombre, reverse ombre thing. I'm cute. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please once again give it a big thumbs up. Alright, hopefully you already subscribed to the channel because you've been here for a solid couple of minutes. Okay. Also, if you know who the makeup artist is, tag them. Because Pinterest never gives the real makeup artist. It always gives like the person's page who pinned it and never like the real person who did it. So if you know who really did it, or if you are the person who really did it, hit me up. Guys, do you want to see me try and recreate more looks? Usually, hopefully, well, not hopefully, but like to make this video more funny, or future videos more funny, I'll be picking some even crazier ones that are way harder to recreate, just so that even if I do mess up, the video is just very funny and giggly and for your amusement. I think I aced this one. But yeah, guys, that is the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.